Hello everyone. So this is a Facebook Live on motivation and leadership. And the reason I decided to kind of do it on this topic and to kind of share my thoughts on the subject is because I understood कि जब मुझे लोग बोलते हैं you are a motivational speaker, you're such an inspiring person, I kind of don't like it, and I'll tell you why I don't like it. Because मेरी जब जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई थी, अगर प्रोफेशनली अगर पब्लिक स्पीकिंग डोमेन में अगर कहा जाए तो आई वुड से इट एक्चुअली काइंड ऑफ स्टार्टेड ऑफ इन अ बिग वे और डीपर वे from the first TEDx that I did in Bhawanipur college, and before that I had lots of experiences to be able to kind of talk on that platform. And thereafter came the second TEDx. In between there were a lot of other things that happened. The talks that I gave, say जैसे मैंने Women in STEM रोड शो जो कि US डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्टेट का एक प्रोजेक्ट था, उसमें मैंने जो बातें की थी और उसमें जब लोगों ने मुझे सुना था तो what feedback that I got. And thereafter there's been like a lot of things that have happened, इंक्लूडिंग जैसे मैंने कोका कोला यूथ फोरम में बोला है, या फिर विमेंस डे पे मैंने अलग अलग प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे बोला है, या फिर थ्रू वर्कशॉप्स जो मैंने अलग अलग कंपनीज़ के साथ किए हैं. तो ये टॉपिक्स पे बोलते बोलते, अलग अलग जगह बोलते बोलते, अलग अलग एज ग्रुप्स के साथ बात करते करते, और फिर आस्ते आस्ते जिस तरह मैं लीडरशिप में और लोगों से मिलने लगी और मेरा वर्क और ज़्यादा पॉलिसी की तरफ बढ़ने लगा, in not the general sense जिस तरह पॉलिसी लोग बात करते हैं, but yes, heading towards actually bringing change in a bigger way, in deeper ways more than that. So मेरा जो experience रहा है as a motivational speaker, और मुझे ये actually talk का idea आया है from my friend from Hyderabad, Tarun Sensation, and thank you Tarun for the idea, the post that you gave about a certain speaker, and my thoughts on that actually made me come up with this topic on motivation and leadership. So I will be speaking along those lines. अच्छा, अब जब हम बात करते हैं अलग अलग फेमस मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स की, अब वो या तो यूट्यूब सेंसेशन है जैसे जे शेट्टी है, या फिर साइमन सिनेक है, या देयर आर मेनी अदर्स राइजिंग वंस दैट हैव just made a sensation either through music that they have played or some other domains that they are part of through their skills. So you will see a lot of people who are getting more and more popular. And now that friend of mine Tarun, he shared something about a particular speaker जिससे मुझे सोच आया कि, और हमारा हमेशा ये चीज़ पे बात होता है, where he always tells me, मदिहा, what is motivation to you? तो उसी चीज़ से मुझे याद आया कि मोटिवेशन जो होता है, या हम जो मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स की बात करते हैं, वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू अंडरस्टैंड इज़ कि अलग अलग लोगों के लिए अलग अलग मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स होते हैं. सो देर आर सम पीपल अकॉर्डिंग टू मी हु आर बेसिक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स. बेसिक का मतलब ये नहीं है कि उनका कोई मुकाम नीचे है या देयर लेवल इज नॉट वेरी हाई और दे आर नॉट क्वालिफाइड. आई डू नॉट मीन दैट. व्हाट आई मीन बाय बेसिक मोटिवेशन इज दिस, कि बेसिक मोटिवेशन वाले वो लोग होते हैं जो एकदम कॉमन, एकदम ग्राउंड में जाकर कॉमन रियलिटीज जो लोग फेस कर रहे हैं, या जिनके मतलब थॉट प्रोसेस में चेंज बहुत दूर दूर तक नहीं आया हो, उस टाइप को एटलीस्ट वो थॉट प्रोसेस जगाने के लिए, वो एक हल्का सा सेल्फ अवेयर करने के लिए, वो लोगों को एटलीस्ट फर्स्ट स्टेप पे लाने के लिए वो ऐसा कंटेंट शेयर करते हैं. नाउ दीज आर पीपल हुम वी में से, अरे इतना सब मोटिवेशन का क्या है, सिर्फ बड़ी बड़ी बातें हैं और हैशटैग्स है और कोट्स है. बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट नॉट एवरीबडी इज एट द सेम लेवल. सो व्हेन वी टॉक ऑफ, लेट्स से एट टाइम्स व्हेन आई सी वीडियोज ऑफ डिफरेंट लीडर्स हु आर एड्रेसिंग द कॉमन मासेज एंड पीपल, आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिटिक्स कि ऐसा बात कौन बोलता है ऐसे मुकाम पे. नाउ वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग, द kind of, let me only get back to the context of India. Let me not even go beyond it for this example. कि जब हम इंडिया की बात करते हैं, our majority population is not दोज जो बहुत हाई लेवल मोटिवेशन से और उनको दूसरे लेवल पे ले जाना है. तो हम लोग बड़ी बड़ी बातें करेंगे तो उनके दिमाग में वो बात जाएगी. आइदर अगर बहुत बड़ी बातें डालनी है तो बहुत सिंपल तरीके से डालनी पड़ेगी, बिकॉज द कॉमन मासेज ऑफ इंडिया आर येट नॉट अवेयर ऑफ द डीपर थिंग्स एंड द बिगर रियलिटीज. दे मे बी अवेयर, दे मे बी हिट बाय बिग प्रॉब्लम्स, बट दे डू नॉट नो हाउ टू थिंक अबाउट इट, हाउ टू address it. That is why the rebellion is more, and that is why these are the people who are easily carried away by any rally, by anything that happens to them, and they don't really think beyond how that action can change into something big or create some bigger problem. So that's one way to look at it. Also, when we look at our own country, इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जो क्रिटिक्स हमारे कंट्री के होते हैं या हमारे लीडरशिप को लेकर कोई भी लीडरशिप को लेकर क्रिटिकल होता है, अक्सर दीज आर पीपल हु आर एट अ डिफरेंट लेवल ऑफ थॉट प्रोसेस. दे आर पीपल हु आर वे बियॉन्ड दैट बेसिक मोटिवेशन लेवल इनटू इंटरमीडिएट और हायर लेवल्स ऑफ मोटिवेशन. सो दे डू नॉट रिक्वायर द बेसिक स्टफ एंड देयरफॉर दे फील कि ये बेसिक स्टफ इज जस्ट लाइक टू काइंड ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्ट और क्रिटिक या ऐसा कुछ है. सो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मेजॉरिटी जो पॉपुलेशन हमारे कंट्री की है उसको यही मोटिवेशनल बेसिक मोटिवेशन की जरूरत है. बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स पीपल हैव नॉट रिजन बियॉन्ड दैट बेसिक पॉइंट टू द इंटरमीडिएट पॉइंट इटसेल्फ. बेसिक पे भी पहुंचने में टाइम लगता है किसी को, दे आर बिलो दैट ऑल्सो एट टाइम्स. सो व्हाट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड इज कि what is the group that you are looking at addressing and what is your role and responsibility. And also if supposing you're someone as in charge of a bigger picture of a bigger group, it's important to have various kinds of conversations कि एक ही टॉक में या तो अलग अलग टाइप के लोगों के लिए कंटेंट हो, so that everybody goes back with something, or different talks for different audiences and different forms so that they can feel connected and they feel the message is also for them. So that's one of the things about leadership. So now when I said कि basic motivation जो होता है, basic motivation में क्या होता है कि इंसान सोचता है you can do it, this is for you, it is your life, इतना basic चीजें हम लोग बात करते हैं. या we talk about basic things like very basic quotes जो होते हैं जो हर जगह सबको मिल जाएगा, but different people say it in different forms. And earlier I used to think यार ये सब क्या बात करते रहते सेम चीज पे घिसे पीटे तरीके से, but now I've realized कि there are different people and the more I empathize as a leader, I've understood there are different people catering to different kinds of audiences, and therefore not everyone can cater to all types of audience. So there has to be people who have to be kind of carved out or have to carve out their own path for a certain type. Now the second type is the intermediate type. So जैसे जो लोग अगर बोर होके बोलते रहे ये बेसिक लीडरशिप कितना बात करेंगे, there are people who go into the intermediate leadership. अब ये leadership कहाँ पे आता है, where people generally talk about things a little deeper, where they start looking at some actionable goals for the public, or they start telling things in a very practical way, simple way, something that looks very complex. So that is the level of the intermediate motivational speaker. Now these are people who are often looked upon as they're really good. अक्सर मैंने देखा है लोगों को इन intermediate level के speakers के बारे में बताते हुए, I also follow this speaker, I also listen to this speaker, but the main point is when you actually talk to many people, I've seen they really don't get what these speakers are actually hinting at and what is their level of thought. These are people who get a little more action oriented on their अपना वो बताते हैं और डिटेल में कि किसी स्किल को प्रैक्टिस करने का या किसी चीज़ को डूएबल बताते हैं rather than only feeling good and pump up वाला factor. They'll start making you realize about some of the realities, some of the challenges, a new way of looking at some of the things. So that is the intermediate speaker type, motivational speaker type. Now there is a advanced, according to me, these are my categories by the way, advanced मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर. ये टाइप के स्पीकर्स जो होते हैं बहुत सिलेक्टेड होते हैं, बट देन अगेन आई पुट माइंड वैली इन दैट कैटेगरी ऑफ एडवांस्ड मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर टाइप्स. नाउ व्हाट आई मीन बाय दैट इज दिस माइंड वैली का मेरा एक्सपीरियंस जो रहा है, इट्स बिन वेरी diverse and very interesting because there are all kinds of speakers and the different kinds of speakers that I have heard in the Mind Valley forum मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है because कहीं ना कहीं they take you from one level of thinking to another level of thinking, from one way of doing something to another way of doing something. So that's where I put Mind Valley. Now recently I came across one or two people in my own circle of close friends and mentors who I started realizing fall under the category of, to me, higher than the advanced level itself. And that I cannot put in any category because they are people who will not tell me exactly, stuff of how to do, but they get into a different frame of kind of thought processing or the kind of the depth that people can go into, and because they know you, they take a deep interest in you and helping you out and kind of moving your thought process in a different direction and a different shift. These are people who kind of, and this is possible only when you have a very very close relationship with someone. Like it can be a very close friend, it can be a very very close family member, it can be like a very very trusted mentor. These are people who can take you to that next level of leadership and motivation, where It's no longer about the general chit chat or the basic or the intermediate or the advanced. It's beyond that, where the critical aspect also doesn't pinch you anymore from these people, or the even a conflict or a kind of a conversation जो comfortable नहीं लगे, even that will not pinch you, because you know that it's to take you from one level to another. Now the reason I'm saying all this is because a lot of times we get confused. एक confusion होता है as a public कि हम किस टाइप के मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर को देखें, और दूसरा कंफ्यूजन होता है कि अगर हम स्पीकर बन गए हैं तो हम कौन से लेवल के मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर बने, राइट? दैट इज द मोस्ट कॉमन प्रॉब्लम और चैलेंज और कंफ्यूजन दैट मेनी पीपल कैन हैव, एंड देयरफॉर आई एम गोइंग टू एड्रेस दैट राइट नाउ. सो जब हम बात करते हैं दोनों तरफ से, वेदर वी स्पीक एज अ पर्सन हु वांट्स टू बी अ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर और हु वांट्स टू वॉच मोटिवेशनल स्टफ एंड बी मोटिवेटेड. सो अक्सर क्या होता है, हम कोई मोटिवेशन स्पीच चालू करते हैं, टॉक देखते देखते बीच में रुक गए. विल बी लाइक, ओ अब नहीं समझ आ रहा है, अरे क्या बोल रहा है, बार बार एक ही चीज बोल रहा है. देयर आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स दैट वी सी एंड डिफरेंट वेज वी लुक एट डिफरेंट स्पीकर्स, एंड समटाइम्स वी डोंट इवन फॉलो एंड रीड और वॉच द होल थिंग, आइदर बिकॉज वी फील कह रहे यही चीज सब बात करते हैं, या फिर वी फील कह रहे इसमें नया चीज क्या बताएंगे, या हमको क्या फायदा होगा, व्हाट सीक्रेट कैन आई टेक अवे फ्रॉम दिस पर्सन सक्सेस that I can also be a success. So I will be giving 6 E's, 6 E alphabet. So E for example. So I will be talking of 6 E's that will help you understand. Every time I will be giving example from both perspective कि अगर आप एक motivational speaker हैं तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, और अगर आप motivation सुनना चाहते हैं तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं. So let's go to the first E, which according to me is experience. Now experience है कि when I look back at my own life, I often think about the journey that I took of how people perceived me, the public perceived me, motivational speaker / TEDx speaker, then thought leader, then thought programmer, then today it's the social development expert stage, which I have been tagged as, and therefore I call myself the same as people who are known, who have skills, who have experience, have tagged me as such. So I feel that yes, that kind of actually defines me, because experts and people who I trust and whose wisdom I trust have said that. So I'll go back to the first step, experience. So when I was a person who was a motivational speaker / TEDx speaker and known as such, मुझे एक चीज़ का एहसास हुआ था कि लोग मुझे इस तरह समझते थे कि मेरे पास जो motivation content था, that was enough to kind of stir up people and make them think, oh, she talks so well, she's talking so powerful, she's talking so inspirational, कितना सही बात बोला, कितना अच्छे से बोला, So there were a lot of factors that came into the picture which kind of made that particular motivational speaker, TEDx speaker thing very successful. So I used to feel, अच्छा ठीक है, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से हमको सब अगर मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर या टेडेक्स स्पीकर बोल रहे हैं, मतलब आई एम एबल, मुझे क्या लगा था, आई एम शेयरिंग, मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि हाँ ठीक है, मैं ऐसी बातें कर रही हूँ जो सोसाइटी क्लिक कर पा रही है इस बात के साथ, दे आर एबल टू रिलेट, एटलीस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन सोसाइटी आर एबल टू रिलेट टू दिस, और आई एम टॉकिंग प्रॉब्लम्स दैट more or less people are aware of and can relate to or have heard about. So I am talking that stuff right now, and people are ready to accept it also. That is why it's become the motivational TEDx speaker. So experience के नाम से I would say कि I had a lot of grassroots experience, but that was like more of not very challenging experience where a lot of leadership skills were required. It was more about convincing myself to take a lot of steps to kind of thrive in situations and kind of still have the support of a lot of people to kind of still push through and make things happen. So that included my activities in the orphanage, that included my weekend activities that I did with students, and that included a lot of things that I wanted to kind of keep writing, ideas that I had. I kind of was among student circles, I was among limited circles of neighborhood or locality or area, or to a certain extent in some ways to a nation level, but very small. So I was kind of trying to understand my experience. इसके हिसाब से this is where I stand. Now if you're someone, now I'm going to talk about, so let me finish through the speaker journey, then I'll go into the other journey. So experience के हिसाब से मुझे ये समझ आया कि हाँ ठीक है, चलो अब motivational speaker में इतना experience. जब मुझे thought leader का tag आया, that is when I felt कि I had started actually talking to more people and learning more than I actually knew, and my mind was getting molded and transformed through the plus acumen courses that I did, or and that gave me a lot of global exposure because I got to connect with lot of people जो कि बाहर दूसरे देश से थे, थे जो कि अलग अलग डोमेन से थे, अलग अलग प्रोफेशंस में थे, और जितना मैंने इन लोग से बातचीत किया, जितना साथ में सीखने की कोशिश की, मुझे एक नया नया नज़रिया लाइफ को लेके आने लगा, वेरी कॉमन चीज़ों को लेकर बहुत नया नया इन्फॉर्मेशन भी आने लगा. सो दैट इज़ व्हेन आई थॉट एक थॉट लीडरशिप के तौर से मेरा थॉट्स अलग अलग बन रहा है. इट इज़ गेटिंग इट्स ओन शेप एंड फॉर्म, स्लोली वो चालू हो रहा है. देन केम द प्रोसेस जहाँ मुझे थॉट प्रोग्रामर के तौर से जब आया, दैट वॉज द टाइम व्हेन आई हैड स्टार्टेड टीचिंग अ लॉट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन एंड आई हैड स्टार्टेड इंटरैक्टिंग विद मोर पेरेंट्स, मोर पीपल, and people started calling me for stuff deeper than the motivational talk that I was giving, and therefore the topics that they were asking me to speak on and that I was sharing that I would talk about, that gave me the idea that was the time when I was already working on parts जहाँ मेरे ब्रेन को हम किस तरह से थॉट प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं. अब हम थॉट अब्जॉर्ब कर लिए हैं, हर एक को अपना अपना एक एक आइडेंटिटी थॉट्स को मिल गया है, बट अब ये थॉट को फर्दर प्रोसेस करके, प्रोग्राम पैकेजिंग करके, अब इसको हाउ आई अप्लाई इन माई लाइफ, how I apply in different people's life is going to make a lot of difference. So that is one step where I realized thought programmer आया. फिर सोशल डेवलपमेंट एक्सपर्ट कब आया, जब मुझे लगा कि आई वॉज सीइंग एन इम्पैक्ट इन पीपल एंड मोर पीपल वर हैप्पी विथ व्हाट आई वॉज डूइंग विद देम, हाउ आई मेड देम फील, व्हाट आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू अचीव एंड द काइंड ऑफ एफर्ट आई स्टार्टेड पुटिंग. एंड वन ऑफ द मेजर थिंग्स इन द सोशल डेवलपमेंट एक्सपर्ट और थॉट प्रोग्रामर के बीच में जो डिफरेंस आया है, दैट इज द लिसनिंग स्किल्स. I think that is something I never had. And thanks to my best friend that I developed this, because I realized I was very good at speaking all the time and telling everybody what I was thinking, how I was thinking. But what I was lacking was a thought, listening person. So as much as I could listen, the more I listened, I didn't know I had so much of patience and how much I could absorb as a result of listening so much. And then I started actually loving and enjoying the whole process. कि सुन के भी कितना अच्छा लगता है, सिर्फ बोलने में मज़ा नहीं है, बट सुनने में डबल मज़ा है, because when you are absorbing things and you're making your own, एक storage space fill हो रहा है, and how those thoughts are accumulating and then getting into different packages of their own, and then अंदर clash करता है जिस तरह से अलग अलग thoughts, and then new ideas are formed, and that also by talking to people and understanding more and more, I think that is when I started enjoying a little more. Now I am at the transition stage again from social development expert towards another stage, a higher stage, where I have realized that everything that I am thinking through has got a lot of R&D involved. That means मैंने research and development pixel tank करके मेरा जो segment है कंपनी का R&D का, उसमें मैंने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अब thought process डाला है, ज़्यादा सोच डाला है, ज़्यादा planning की है, ज़्यादा पढ़ रही हूँ अलग अलग topics पे, कि अब मुझे social development expert से भी ज़्यादा समझना है लोगों को, so that I can really contribute to problem solving. And that's where now मैंने experience के हिसाब से, और मेरा experience अब इसलिए बढ़ रहा है because now I'm transferring skills to other people to be able to do exactly what I am doing. So that is helping me to figure out things कि कैसे, अब जब खास करके मैंने अपने ही बच्चों को देखा कि हाउ माई चिल्ड्रन हु आई एम टीचिंग आर एबल टू इवन टीच देयर ओन peers and their own friends, that's when I realized that my skill has gone to another level, and now I need to work harder, because now I'm able to bring some change which needs to go to a higher level of change, but that needs to start with more awareness on my part, and that will only happen when I have more research and development. So this was the entire part about experience, E. Now the second part is the exposure. कहीं ना कहीं मैंने एक्सपीरियंस के एग्जाम्पल में मैंने एक्सपोजर भी दिखाया, बट मैं अब इसको एक अलग तरीके से समझाऊंगी कि जिस तरह से अगेन मेरा जो जर्नी है मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर टू थॉट लीडर टू थॉट प्रोग्रामर टू सोशल डेवलपमेंट एक्सपर्ट एंड द फ्यूचर दैट आई एम हेडेड टूवर्ड्स, हाउ इज द एक्सपोजर गोइंग टू प्ले अ रोल. Now when I talk of the motivational speaker, TEDx speaker stage, I am talking of things like मेरा exposure क्या रहा होगा, to get more and more ideas about the local, the neighborhood, the people I'm surrounded by immediately, more and more getting interested in those people, their problems, their challenges, how they process things. ये सब समझते समझते मुझे लगा कि हाँ मेरा awareness एक stage पे आया, and therefore I was talking the stuff that I felt was at the motivational speaker level / TEDx speaker level. Then when I got more exposure, that means when I was again doing more courses, I was meeting more leaders who are not only more talented or more skilled but more successful than me. And that is when I realized that I didn't just talk to them or send a hi or stayed in connection with them. I did courses with them. I learned from them. I had longer conversations with them. I had interviews and kind of a long planned discussion with them, and therefore the mind got to the level of a deeper exposure और बढ़ता गया, because I got to know about what was happening in US, what was happening in UK, what was happening in Finland, what was happening in Australia, what was happening in South Africa, what was happening in Kenya, what was happening in Canada, what was happening in USA, what was happening in Alaska. I was getting more in Brazil, Argentina. There were so many countries that I met people from online, and I was talking to them to understand what their nature of work was, why they got into it, how they understood it, shared my ideas with them, had discussions, just good conversations, productive conversations with good leaders. So that took me, that exposure led me from going to the thought leader to the thought programmer stage, where now I started interacting more and more with people younger than me, people more older than me. And as I was doing that, I was trying to understand how and why they think what they think. And my reason was not to kind of, impress people or to give a good talk, but because I genuinely understood that I wanted to bring change in society. And I could not do that till I, bridge this gap that is so big and so disturbing, all the time between generations. So when I started talking to people older than me and then started to talking to people younger than me, that's when I realized कि अलग age में, अलग सोच में, and I did it more consciously. So thought leader में I was talking to all the people who are good leaders, but thought programmer में I got more specific on the way a certain age group saw a certain problem as compared to how another age group saw a problem, how a certain geography saw a problem as compared to how another geography saw a problem, and I gave it more thought. I gave the conversations more time, more depth, more research, and the more I did that, I realized I was able to have more ideas and depth to the specific things that I was looking at now. Then when the thought programmer to social development expert stage came, that is when I started talking more through Facebook Live. They were not very good videos and I don't care about them. The reason is, right now is the time when a lot of work needs to be done. So whenever I get time, I decide I will post about it or I will write about it. It's all about my commitment and availability on a certain day and a topic, that I'm prepared to talk about. I just quickly make notes and I start talking. So that is when I realized, when I was talking to different companies that I worked with, different projects that I was part of with the companies, as a result of them seeing that I was a skilled Indian who was able to do multiple things in multiple ways and a lot of human interaction in various forms. So whether it was Juniorholics, where I interacted with so many parents of a junior age group, that was like early childhood. Then it was about Cello middle school and high school. Then it was about National Stock Exchange, again middle school, high school. Then again when I got into more projects with Del RM teachers training, and then the different projects that I was doing and interacted with parents of Imami, the employees of Tata. All this gave me a lot of things to take back. And then of course, working with companies, talking to their CEOs, talking to their chairmen, talking to the the management on the top, I realized there was so much more perspective that was getting added, and that was getting more deeper in experience and understanding, because my ground stuff was already building slowly at the same time. So whatever perspective I got with the top leadership's conversation or ideas, वो एक और नए डेप्थ पे आने लगा, क्योंकि जो ये ग्रास रूट लेवल का जो एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ता जा रहा था, वो अब एक लीडरशिप के साथ वो एक रेज आके ऐसे मीट किया. So then I could see that something was blooming, new things I was capable of, new things that I could do with new collaborators in these companies or these leaderships. So I then figured out कि ठीक है, अब exposure बढ़ रहा है. Now as I meet more people, I find a team and I kind of train the team. That's when I started realizing my exposure has to go higher. So I am doing more different things, which I shall talk about in the future. So to kind of build my own exposure again. Now, and yes, one very integral part of this is the certification courses that I did. They don't have to be really big and very important, but what it takes is to do it consistently, to do it sincerely, to look at that grind that you have to go through to achieve something. That can be a very simple course, free course, certified course, paid course, whatever it is, but something that requires consistent effort and a lot of application. When you go through that, I think it really helps take things to the next level. Now so first was experience, second is exposure. Now I will talk about example. So as we go through the journey, motivational speaker, TEDx speaker के time पे journey कैसा था? अरे somehow I managed to kind of become a little different from the rest. So I have a story to tell. So I will tell the world, I can do this, I can do that, I am good at this, I'm good at that. So that is the level which and there is a big story like, oh, I rejected this or I did this. I could not do that, so I was doing that. Like that sort of story that came. Thought leader stage पे क्या हुआ? I would say I was around the TEDx का heritage वाला जो मेरा TEDx था, उसके आसपास I was having a stage in between thought leader to thought programmer. क्यों? क्योंकि when I gave some talks in Surat and when I was speaking at some of the colleges, I realized I was a thought leader because I could translate, some of the common challenges that people had heard from other people or the common challenges that they were already talking about in a different way. I could at least interpret. So मेरा एग्जाम्पल्स जो मैं देख रही थी आसपास, उसको मैं देख पा रही थी, समझ पा रही थी, एंड आई वॉज एबल टू आइदर लीड बाय एग्जाम्पल इन द सेम वे और इन अ डिफरेंट वे. सो आई वॉज एबल टू काइंड ऑफ स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग सम ऑफ द थिंग्स एंड एबल टू डू सम ऑफ द थिंग्स. व्हेन द थॉट प्रोग्रामर स्टेज केम, उस टाइम मेरे आसपास एग्जाम्पल्स के तौर से मैं बोलूँगी कि मेरा जो टॉक ही था, दैट वाज इटसेल्फ गिविंग मी एन आइडिया कि इट वाज नॉट ईजी फॉर मेनी पीपल टू रिलेट टू. एंड द पर्सन हु लाइक्ड इट वाज अ गूगल क्लाउड का आर्किटेक्ट ऑन यूट्यूब, हु लाइक्ड इट ऑन यूट्यूब वाज एंड ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ the tweet that I shared on Twitter liked it. So he was someone from New York, and I was so surprised. Google Cloud Architect has liked this talk of mine, when biology meets technology. So that's when I figured out, and the number of views and the kind of suggestion feedback that I got, I knew many people didn't get what I was hinting at, but those who got it were of a certain different background, different professional experience, and the way they gave that feedback was very interesting to understand, because that is when I realized that I was working on things which had to do a lot with my internal self. And around this TEDx, I had gone through a lot of internal transformation when I was dealing with some of my biggest mindset challenges, when I was like, oh, you think you know a lot? You know what? You don't know anything. You need to do a lot more work. And that is something I keep telling myself till today. But the first time I told myself, because a lot of people बोलते हैं ना, चढ़ा के झाड़ पे चढ़ा रहे, सब बड़े बड़े बात करते हैं, अरे you're so good, you can do this also, you can do that also, a lot of appreciation. That's when I had to grind myself and tell myself, you know what, you've done nothing yet, and there's a lot more that you need to achieve. So जब मैंने अपना mind game को next level पे ले जाने की push की कोशिश की, that is when I realized I was turning into a thought programmer. And at that stage, I was doing more learning. At the same time, I was interacting with more and more people in real life and trying to influence them, help them, kind of connect with them in a bigger way, and make sure कि वो consistent efforts हो, so that in the end I can actually see change happening. Then came the social development stage, जहाँ सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज होता है एग्जाम्पल्स. सो थॉट प्रोग्रामर स्टेज पे मैंने कैसे कैसे लोगों को देखा, जिनको मैंने देखा कि वो अपने चैलेंजेस में भी किस तरह थ्राइव करना सीख रहे हैं, एंड नॉट इन अ कंप्लेनिंग वे, वेरी ग्रेसफुल मैनर. जितने भी उनके साथ बुरा व्यवहार लोग करते हैं, दे नो हाउ टू टॉक नाइसली अबाउट इट. दीज आर पीपल हु आई मेट फ्रॉम अदर सिटीज, फ्रॉम अदर कंट्रीज, दैट आई कुड नॉट बिलीव हाउ दे आर डूइंग विद थिंग्स एंड हाउ डीलिंग विद थिंग्स. बट मुझे तब एहसास हुआ कि किस तरह से ये लोग एग्जाम्पल से लीड करते, कि अंदर दिल में तकलीफ है, प्रॉब्लम्स है, बट दे डोंट टेल पब्लिकली एंड कंप्लेन पब्लिकली अबाउट इट लाइक द टिपिकल लीडर्स हु डू इट. दीज आर पीपल हु आर गोइंग थ्रू द स्ट्रगल इन अ वेरी साइलेंट वे, बीइंग पब्लिक फिगर्स, बट दे डिड इट so graciously, so nicely, that I felt this is what leadership is about. And the kind of examples I saw, I knew that I was blessed to be surrounded by such friends and mentors. So I realized कि जब exposure example का बात आया, social development expert stage में क्या हुआ कि मैंने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बाहर देखना थोड़ा कम कर दिया, मैंने अंदर अपने आप झांकना शुरू किया. I realized I had lots of weaknesses, I have lots of vulnerabilities, I have lots of things I need to work on to fix myself before I can fix the world. और जो मेरे close circles में थे, उन्होंने जब मुझे कोई critical feedback दिया, I took it seriously. Even if there were people who kind of at the end, होता है ना कि जब हम लोग एक लेवल पे समझते हैं हम बहुत बड़े बन गए, बहुत कुछ समझ लिया, बहुत कुछ सीख लिया, तो अब हमको कोई कुछ नहीं बोल सकता. That is when I realized कि ये कभी नहीं होना चाहिए. और ये तब जब मुझे क्रिटिकल फीडबैक भी मिलता था तो मैं थोड़ी देर रोती थी, मुझे गुस्सा भी आता था, बट मैं फिर उसको बैठ के समझती थी, बिकॉज आई न्यू दैट इफ टुडे इवन इफ दैट पर्सन और अदर पीपल हु आर टेलिंग राइट और रॉन्ग, आई हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस, दैट आई एम अकाउंटेबल टू गॉड एंड टू माई कंट्री. और आज अगर मैंने खुद को फिक्स नहीं किया और सच में अगर मेरे में ये प्रॉब्लम निकला, तो सोचो मेरे वजह से देश का नाम खराब होगा. मैं हूँ इंडिया. दैट्स व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग मोर एंड मोर, एंड आई थॉट आई नीड टू फिक्स माई सेल्फ मोर. तो अभी भी जब मेरे साथ गलतियाँ होती हैं, बहुत सारी मैं गलतियाँ करती हूँ, मेरे से गलत सोच भी होती है, मेरे साथ लड़ाई झगड़ा भी होता है, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई रियलाइज आई हैव टू बी ट्रू टू गॉड. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हम प्रोमिस करते हैं दुनिया से, लोगों से, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू हैव टू कीप बीइंग ट्रू टू योर सेल्फ. एंड इन द प्रोसेस इफ यू रियलाइज कि कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग अगर अपने को नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं या इंसानियत को उसकी वजह से नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं, देन यू हैव टू टेक अ कॉल ऑन व्हाट यू हैव सेड एंड हाउ यू हैव सेड इट एंड व्हाई you said it, right? So that's one of the things. And as I said, I'm now surrounded by very, very limited people who I work with everybody, I talk to everybody, I try to deal with everybody's problems, I cater to all kinds of people, but at the end of the day, I only allow very, very super limited selective circle of people to get close to this, because I realize if I have to really serve my country to the best of my ability, I have to protect this much and much more, so that I am able to contribute more with the right intentions, with the right effort, and leading by example rather than just talking big and showing myself as something big, which I am not. So I believe in servant leadership, and I believe that every day when I grind hard and I understand the people's problems, I know I'm going to serve my country better each day, every day. So that is example. So experience, exposure, example. Now I will talk about empathy. What it takes to move from a motivational speaker / TEDx speaker to the level of social development expert that I am in right now. अब empathy की जब बात आती है, हम क्या सोचते हैं? Be empathetic. Empathy, इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, बड़ी बड़ी बातें हमको हैशटैग करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, कोर्सेज देना और सुनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बट द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इज टू लिव इट. नाउ आई विल टेल यू हाउ आई लिव्ड इट. देयर वाज नॉट अ टाइम व्हेन आई विल से कि टेडेक्स स्पीकर या मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर से लेकर सोशल डेवलपमेंट एक्सपर्ट स्टेज में ऐसा कोई टाइम नहीं था जब मैंने एम्पैथी नहीं प्रैक्टिस की, बट द वे आई प्रैक्टिस्ड इट वाज डिफरेंट. सो लेट मी टेल यू हाउ. अब मैं जब मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर स्टेज पे थी, when people called me a TEDx speaker and whatnot and all that, inspiring personality, inspiring speaker and whatnot, so that was the time when I was practicing empathy at the level of हाँ ठीक है ऐसे ऐसे लोग होते हैं. दैट इज़ मोर थियोरेटिकल बाय द वे. व्हेन वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग हाँ मेजॉरिटी लोगों को ऐसी प्रॉब्लम हुई है, आई हैव ऑल्सो सीन, आई हैव ऑल्सो हर्ड, बट उसके पीछे ज़्यादा एनालिसिस नहीं जाता है, उसके पीछे ज़्यादा R&D नहीं जाता है, वे वी डोंट नो वाई एग्जैक्टली वॉट हैपेंड, हाउ इट हैपेंड, एंड टू फिगर आउट वेदर दैट इज़ द राइट वे फॉर ह्यूमैनिटी टू फॉलो और नॉट, and how much of it to adopt from there and take from there, and how much to apply and what to apply and how to apply. वो सब तब नहीं होता है एम्पैथी में. तब उतना लगता है कि हाँ समझ गए, इसको देख के प्रॉब्लम ये है, ओ आई अंडरस्टैंड, एंड जेन्युइनली यू अंडरस्टैंड पीपल्स प्रॉब्लम, सो यू विल से दैट yes दैट इज एम्पैथी. When it came to the thought leader stage, that's when I realized, तब मैं बुक लिखने के लिए भी तैयार हो गई थी, विच इज़ वाई बाय द वे माई बुक इज पेंडिंग, बिकॉज आई रियलाइज्ड आई वांटेड टू टेक इट टू मोर स्टेजेस ऑफ माई ओन माइंड का अवेकनिंग, टू बी एबल टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू समथिंग फॉर द कंट्री बेटर इन फॉर्म ऑफ अ बुक. सो तब मेरे दिमाग में भूत सवार था मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर के तौर से, आई कैन राइट अ बुक, आई बिकम एन ऑथर. सिंस देन आई वॉज प्रमोटिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस कि आई विल राइट अ बुक, आई विल राइट अ बुक. वो अभी तक पेंडिंग है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन. सो हाँ, थॉट लीडर पे आते हैं. फिर जब थॉट लीडर पे आए तब एम्पैथी लेवल किस टाइप का था? Oh my God, really? How did you do this? How did you even understand? Now, when I talk to leaders like that and I want to understand why they thought like this, how they thought like this, one very important course that helped me was Radical Candor. And I do not remember who has written these books. Just look up, please. So Radical Candor करके एक कुछ था, और एक था no I think I remember, एक कोई कोर्स था किम स्कॉट के तरफ से, और एक था एंजेला डकवर्थ, कुछ एक बुक था या कोर्स था ऑन ग्रिड पे लेके. तो वो एक दो बुक्स थी. फिर आर्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चनिंग पे मैंने बहुत कुछ पढ़ा, और ये करते करते मुझे एहसास हुआ दैट आई वॉज रियली इंजॉइंग द क्वेश्चन प्रोसेस. सवाल करने में मुझे बहुत मजा आता था, नॉट द टिपिकल वे ऐसा क्यों हुआ, ऐसा मेरे साथ किसी ने क्यों किया. आई वॉज नेवर दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ पर्सन, एंड आई डोंट बिलीव in this type of thought process also. I feel ask intelligent questions, ask questions that can either make you think more or make the other person can think more, or that person will get more ideas to start thinking of something else more, or help you to start thinking of something else, and that requires some training from outside. It cannot just develop all of a sudden. So that's one of the things that we need to understand, right? सो थॉट लीडर में एम्पैथी उस लेवल पे आया कि मैंने अच्छे सवाल पूछना चालू किया, सो दैट आई एम एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन ऑफ द अदर पर्सन बेटर. नाउ व्हेन आई केम टू द थॉट प्रोग्रामर स्टेज, तब मेरा एम्पैथी का लेवल किस टाइप का था, वेयर आई यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट लिसनिंग मोर एंड स्टार्ट आस्किंग बेटर क्वेश्चंस. सो आई यूज्ड टू ट्राई टू फिगर आउट. आई वुड नॉट
say that हम सबको पूछने में, because these are when I'm talking of thought leader, I was talking to leaders who could answer question or bring up another question. But when I'm talking to thought programmer stage and I'm talking to students who are younger than me or people elder than me, दोनों का तरीका अलग होता है सवाल जवाब करने का या समझने का या सोचने का, because there are a lot of other factors that play a role in their life. So thought programmer stage में क्या हुआ, मैंने जो कुछ सुना, जो कुछ पूछा, उसको लेके फिर बैठ के प्रोसेस करना पड़ता था कि क्या है इसमें, ऐसा क्यों सोचा होगा, ऐसा क्यों हुआ होगा, मे बी समटाइम्स गो बैक एंड आस्क क्वेश्चंस अगेन. सो इसमें ज़्यादा प्रोसेसिंग और प्रोग्रामिंग, थॉट प्रोग्रामिंग लगा टू फिगर आउट कि एम्पैथी इस सिचुएशन में हाउ कैन आई पुट माई सेल्फ. Then came the social development expert stage where I started understanding कि जितना empathy हम समझते हैं, we have to look at parallel examples, we have to look at parallel data. So अब जब होता है कि when I think of some person, I think of what other experiences I've had with people similar or with similar personality or similar nature, or people who have done something or related, you know, theories in psychology, sociology, neuroscience, a lot of different subjects, you know, development, biology. I read up more and more along those lines, at times from the law segment, at times from management, at times from business, economics, different places I go around and I try to connect with things and come up with a juice and a understanding of it, and then empathize with people, and that is it's helping me a lot. What I'm working on right now for the next level, I will share in future, as I said. So empathy, so experience, exposure, example, empathy. Now effectiveness, one of the very important things. I think it's very easy to say I am a very successful person, very very successful because I did X Y Z A B C D E F G. अरे जस्ट बिकॉज आपके पास क्वालिफिकेशन है, आपके पास तो टाइटल है, आपके पास पोजीशन है, आपके पास अचीवमेंट्स दिखाने के लिए है, डजंट मीन you are effective. And just because you have an accolade or something, it doesn't mean you're effective. It's a hard work process. By the way, people who get and who are known for awards also have to win it. Not everybody, but yes, the people that I know who are really good and who are really worthy of accolades and big awards and all, these are people who I have seen are really effective in personal and professional life, and these are people who have earned it through their own journey, and that shows it. So yes, of course, ऐसा हो सकता है कि जैसे आपको supposing कोई success मिला है. Let's say for example, when I used to think of TEDx speaker only, I used to like, अरे हर एक इंसान आजकल TEDx speaker है, हर एक इंसान को TEDx मिल जाता है. मतलब there are other things, you know, I've seen in different companies also where कोई भी company का कुछ भी किया हो ना, उसको उधर job मिल जाता है, things like that. And I was like, oh my god, you know what, everybody can, I'm also like that. What, I don't have skills, am I not skilled enough? मुझे ये सब सवाल आता था. But तब मुझे एहसास हुआ कि people of different types can fall under the same title, same category of a lot of things. But at the end of the day, you know, the real impact that someone has will really show if that investment is there. That effectiveness, वो पता चल जाता है vibe में इंसान के. So let me tell you how the effectiveness worked in my favor when I was a motivational speaker to social development expert. So when I speak of the motivational speaker / TEDx speaker part, I am talking about effectiveness in the way that I could understand that, you know, I could understand people and people felt happy that yes, and these are people who are like once a week that I met very rarely, and I did not do much research on, but it was more about the thing that I was teaching and how well I was teaching it in context to the age group I was teaching. So that was like that was the like only thing perhaps that I was doing at that time, और इसलिए मेरे को एक ही चीज़ में अपना अंडरस्टैंडिंग नॉलेज बढ़ाते रहना पड़ा. So that is when I started realizing I was effective at that one thing that I was doing consistently with a certain age group. फिर आया इफेक्टिवनेस. जब थॉट लीडरशिप की बात आई, आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग दैट आई वॉज गेटिंग गुड एट समथिंग बिकॉज आई वॉज डूइंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन. जैसे मुझे शुरू में ऐसा लगता भी था कि ओ गॉड, आई हैव टू गिव लाइक सो मेनी वर्कशॉप्स आई हैव टू डू अंडर वन कंपनी एंड वन प्रोजेक्ट एंड सेम कंटेंट. बट दैट इज व्हेन माई ब्रेन स्टार्टेड किकिंग एंड देन, यू नो, आई हैड दीज आइडियाज कि यार एक ही चीज़ को अगर 40-50 स्कूल में करना है, व्हाई नॉट मेक इट स्पेसिफिक टू दैट स्कूल. So what I would do at times, I would talk to the school management or teachers about it. What do they see as a problem in a certain project ke category that I was working for? So if I was working for children, I asked this the educators in the school or the management, what did they think about that age group? What was the problem that they were facing? What according to them were their challenges, and what was the challenge that the people whom we are serving is going to talk about and they are going through. So जब 40-50 अलग अलग जगह पे किया, and 3-4 प्रोजेक्ट्स ऐसे किए तो मुझे एहसास हुआ कि द एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट दैट आई वाज पुटिंग टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर स्कूल एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर पेरेंट्स ग्रुप और चिल्ड्रंस ग्रुप और द मैनेजमेंट ग्रुप, I was getting more and more effective in solving the same kind of topic but in a more and more customized way to more and more people. And there were times जहाँ parenting workshop में मेरे पास 10-12 पेरेंट थे, कभी 30-40 थे, कभी 60 से 80 थे, और कभी 100 थे, और कभी 200-300 भी थे, ऐसा भी हुआ है, और कभी इससे ज़्यादा भी ऑडियंस बैठा है. So then I realized I was really getting, enjoying that process of customization, because every time before entering a school I did my homework for that school. I figured out कि इनके क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है. सब जगह सेम ही कंटेंट देना है, बट सबको समझ के देना है कि what exactly is their problem, because I know nobody is questioning me कि if I am customizing or not, but I did my duty towards my country's people कि yes, अगर पेरेंट्स को आई एम रीचिंग आउट टू दिस ऑफ द पेरेंट्स ऑफ दिस कंट्री ऑल्सो डिजर्व द बेस्ट, द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ दिस कंट्री डिजर्व द बेस्ट, द टीचर्स ऑफ द कंट्री डिजर्व द बेस्ट. सो आई डिड माई होमवर्क बाय फाइंडिंग आउट फ्रॉम द लीडरशिप what their exact problems was and did the same kind of workshop again and again in the same way, but understanding the problem. So there was a time in one particular school when I did 5-6 workshops 2-3 days consecutively. The person who was sitting from the first workshop to the 5th workshop, she was from the school management, and she said, Madiha, no 2 workshops were same. And in one day I was doing 2 workshops for that school, 1.5 hours. Then second day 2 workshops again, 1.5 hours. Third day again, and she was surprised how I was able to do different workshops, same topic, same school, but differently. And that I would say that is the interest that I take in people. And then of course starting with a lot of approach from taking inputs from parents, taking inputs from people, and then understanding कि हाँ इनका mindset कैसा है, what backgrounds are these people coming from, and accordingly giving examples. कई बार ऐसा होता था कि elderly रहते थे instead of parents, at times only mothers, at times father and mother, at times more fathers. That is when I started undergoing examples. मैंने change किया अपना कंटेंट मोर स्पेसिफिक किया उसके हिसाब से, जेंडर के हिसाब से, एज ग्रुप के हिसाब से, केयर टेकर रोल के हिसाब से, और तब मुझे और कॉन्फिडेंस आने लगा ऑफ द इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ द वर्क दैट आई वाज डूइंग. देन केम द थॉट प्रोग्रामर्स हब वेयर आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग कि मासेस को केटर करना फिर भी ईजी है, बिकॉज इफ आई एम टॉकिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रंट फर्स्ट इधर स्टेज से, तो लास्ट वाला इंसान भी जब सुन रहा है, आई नो आई एम गेटिंग पीपल इंटरेस्टेड एंड एक्साइटेड फॉर समथिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द homework that I have done in the past, or the past stage that I was in of thought leadership. But then I started realizing I had to also make sure कि अगर हम इतने दूर खड़े हैं, what are the strategies that I can start adopting so that इतने दूर से भी पिछले वाले इंसान को लगे कि I am listening to them and I am wanting to help that person, or paying attention to everybody through eye contact as much as possible. And even if I am scared, I will still try to look at all the people. So this happened when, I'll tell you, Dubai mein, when I was doing the EduCafe wala workshop and sessions and all, that was completely new. I mean, I had never experienced such a huge crowd, such a diverse crowd, such an intellectual crowd from Kerala, and I mean, I was amazed because that was like an experience of a lifetime that I had at EduCafe. And doing 3 sessions, parents, students and teachers. So these were all parents, teachers and students from some of the best international schools and Indian schools in UAE. And I was thrilled because I had got the experience of a lifetime to kind of interact in such a way, represent India alongside people like the Padma Awardee, who's Nabeen Narayan ji. He's an ex-astroscientist, and along Dr. Sareen P, who is also the leader of IS Hotspot. So he was into Karnataka and Kerala's administration in the finance, so IAS. So I realized that when I was interacting with these people, I heard these people, and throughout I sat for almost every speaker's session, and I realized that it was so important to absorb whatever I was absorbing from them. It was of a level where I started connecting with a different crowd. The schools that I went to, I didn't feel scared anymore, and I started figuring out more and more कि मेरा जो thought process था, जो thought leadership था, that was now working at an angle. And because my intentions was good and my hard work was there and my clarity was coming more and more through self investment, I started teaching more and more boys than I was teaching girls. And that was the time when I realized, is it really female empowerment that I want to work on, or do I want to change the whole game of the empowerment scene by kind of investing really well in the boys that I have been trusted with from God and from their parents. And that is when I started loving this whole experience of teaching boys, because I realized कि boys कितने और एक दूसरे जेंडर को पढ़ाने का अलग बात होता है. Trust me, because I am from Loreto, a pure like ladies and all girls school, and then Loreto के बाद Shri Shikshayatan College, again all girls college, and then growing up in an environment where it was mostly a very different experience coming. And then when I was dealing with boys, I really started realizing how harsh society is towards boys and how badly we treat them, and how much of वो बोलते हैं ना, हम लोग औरत होके बहुत हक जमाने लगते हैं सब पे, and then at the end of the day we only feel bad. So either मैंने ये सोच मुझे समझ आने लगा कि as a woman it's so easy, हम लोग पेरेंट्स होते हैं या अगर जैसे टीचर होते हैं स्कूल में, लड़कों पे हम बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार तो बोलते हैं माँ के तौर से, अरे आई लव माई, बहुत मुझे प्यारा है, मेरा लाडला है एंड ऑल दैट. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे अगर कुछ आता है तो हम लोग माफ़ भी जल्दी नहीं करते, मार देते थप्पड़ क्योंकि थक जाते हैं, और फिर लास्ट में ऐसा लगता है कि अरे बच्चे को क्यों मारा, मेरी गलती हो गई, वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग बैड ऑल्सो, बट वी डू द डैमेज. वी वुडंट डू दैट इक्वल डैमेज टू अ गर्ल in most cases. Because of some reason or the other, threat, fear of society or fear of something or the other, or at the same time माँ भी लेते चुप हो जाते हैं बट एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते. बट लड़कों के मामले में जब मैंने देखा ये, फिर स्कूल में भी मैंने देखा जब कोएड स्कूल्स हो या स्पेशली बॉयज स्कूल्स, एवरी टाइम टीचर इज सो एजिटेटेड छुट्टी टाइम पे, अरे बच्चों लोग पे हमेशा डांट डपट, सो एजिटेटेड ऑल द टाइम. एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड, एंड then I started seeing all these news of rapes and everything that was happening. I said हम क्या बोल के, एक पोस्ट डाल के, एक वीडियो शेयर करके क्या हम चेंज कर पाएंगे दुनिया को? नहीं कर पाएंगे. So that's when I started working harder on understanding the opposite gender, on understanding how boys grow up, how their biology works, how their brain works, how their thought processing works, how their experiences form, and how it goes in the next stage. The more and more I got interested in grooming boys and intellectually grooming them, personally, professionally grooming them, I realized that was the way to actually empower the world. Because कहीं ना कहीं एक घर में अगर वुमन इतनी ज़्यादा empowered हो भी जाती है तो कहीं ना कहीं ज़रूरी नहीं है कि उस घर का आदमी अगर empowered नहीं होगा तो इस औरत का empowerment बेकार है. बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे अगर आदमी का माइंडसेट सही नहीं हो और औरत का सही भी हो तो वो औरत एक प्रॉब्लम बर्डन बन जाएगी, या एक बहुत बड़ा बड़ा आवाज़ एंड बोल्ड और क्या क्या नाम से उसको बुलाया जाएगा. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे होगा क्या कि लास्ट में वो जो फादर की वजह से जो मदर का गुस्सा होता है वो बेटी पे निकलेगा या बहू पे निकलेगा. सो एंड ऑफ द डे ये जो विशियस साइकिल जो हो रहा है सोसाइटी में वो मुझे एहसास आने लगा. ऑल्सो आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग दैट सो मेनी मैन टॉक ऑफ फीमेल एम्पावरमेंट एंड सो मेनी पीपल से अरे वी तो रिस्पेक्ट वुमेन एंड वी सपोर्ट वुमेन एंड व्हाट नॉट. एंड दैट इज व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड कि not many people, especially this was very close to me that happened, somebody from the family where I started realizing where I felt that these people were talking of family women empowerment and this and that, but I didn't see them practicing it. I felt on the contrary that it was a totally different game that is played. So I did not fight that battle. I did not fight against those people. I did not shout back. I did not cry. I didn't do anything. All I did was I told God this, God, this is your battle, you have to fight it. I'm not going to answer back to people, I'm not going to justify myself to the world. In time you will show who is right and who is wrong and who had good intentions and what needs to be done. You are the best giver of justice, give me justice. And that is when I didn't fight, didn't say a word, didn't cry about it, cried alone but didn't cry in too much. I tried to heal myself, and the more I went inside I realized I was fixing things inside. And therefore when I was dealing with boys, I was being more empathetic instead of being more agitated, because we typically think एक strong woman होना मतलब हर आदमी पे गुस्सा आता है, हर चीज़ में strong opinions होते हैं. That's when I started realizing I loved listening more. I started thinking more. I started feeling more. I started taking an interest into why people did what they did instead of judging them. And the same people, maybe of the opposite gender, that I took, too harshly at times, especially closest to me and my friend circle or family, I started becoming more like understanding towards their situation. And when that change happened, trust me, my effectiveness in personal and professional life went from the thought programmer to the social development expert level, because I was working on my own thought programming, and while doing that I was helping more people to program their own minds, because I was trying to be understanding. I was taking that initiative to not blame them but try to be empathetic and listen to them. And effectiveness उसमें prove होने लगा, because people who were quiet, children who were quiet, I saw them starting to speak up. I started seeing their mind developing more. And that's when I realized that yes, and then parents giving me feedback even added to that validation that yes, I was doing that effective work which was required. And then came the social development expert stage, where I realized effectiveness is more about trying to walk your talk every time and being the change. Because the more people that I saw, I stopped going to, by the way, this was the stage between thought programmer and social development expert, that I stopped talking to a lot of people. I stopped going to a lot of social circles. I stopped interacting with people. I stopped realizing and wanting to stay in touch with people just for the sake of it. I realized my mental peace was more important if I had to change and contribute to my nation. I realized that more and more कि जितना मैं unnecessary distraction, gossip, talks और फेकनेस से मैं दूर रहूँगी, उतना ज़्यादा मैं अपने माइंड को प्रिजर्व कर पाऊँगी. हाँ, गलतियाँ सबसे होती हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी से गलती नहीं होती, मेरे से भी बहुत सारी गलतियाँ होती हैं. बट बात यह है कि जितना ज़्यादा आपको जब एहसास होगा, यू विल ट्राई टू विदड्रॉ. जितना यू विल विदड्रॉ एंड गो इनसाइड एंड go inside, it will really help you to start becoming effective, because you are dealing with stuff all the time, so much of data inside, you have to process all of that, you have to do something concrete with it, and then give out to the world in better packaging, in better forms, so that more people can benefit in bigger ways. So that is one of the things. Then came the stage of efficient. सो एफिशिएंट स्टेज पे क्या हुआ कि टेडेक्स स्पीकर के तौर से मुझे ऐसा लगता था, हाँ, आई एम वेरी एफिशिएंट बिकॉज I can do all the things without people telling me how to do. I could do it. I can do everything. Yes, I don't need to research. Yes, I don't need to do everything. I don't need to ask people. I know everything because I have experience, right? So I felt that was my efficiency, and I did pretty well for that. But now I realize I was wrong then. I should have worked hard, but never mind. I'm at least now working hard for, that time that was missed. So thought leader stage पे आते आते क्या हुआ कि मेरा एफिशिएंसी क्या आने लगा कि मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि हाँ, अब जैसे पहले ऐसा लगता था कि आता है, हो जाता है, बस है. थॉट लीडरशिप स्टेज पे क्या आने लगा, आई स्टार्टेड टू ऑर्गेनाइज मोर एंड मोर. एंड वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आई डिड वाज, इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग डेली टू डू लिस्ट जिसमें मैं सब कुछ लिखती थी कि आज मुझे इतना करना है, आज मुझे इतना करना है, आज मुझे इतना करना है, उसके बदले में क्या करने लगी कि मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मुझे एक वीक में क्या करना है, लेट मी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. और फिर हर दिन मैं दो तीन चीज़ रखती थी, और फिर बाकी चीज़ को ऐसे कोशिश करती थी कि चलो आज नहीं हुआ तो कल नहीं हुआ, कल नहीं हुआ तो परसों हुआ, लेकिन करके आई यूज टू मेक इट अ टारगेट कि मंडे टू संडे के बीच में तो करना ही है इसको. सो संडे बैठ के लिखती थी, फिर मंडे टू संडे का साइकिल चालू होता था, और फिर उसी में मैं एटलीस्ट अपना टू डू लिस्ट वीकली खत्म करने की कोशिश करती थी. फिर भी ऐसा होता था कि रह जाता था, बट एटलीस्ट एफिशिएंसी इंप्रूव्ड अ लिटिल बिट, एंड आई कुड राइट डाउन व्हाट आई हैड टू डू रादर देन ओनली थिंकिंग दैट आई कुड डू इट. Then came the thought and this was in a diary, first of all, small diary that I used to carry everywhere. थॉट प्रोग्रामर स्टेज में क्या हुआ कि एफिशिएंसी के मामले में आई ऑफ कोर्स रोट डाउन दैट एवरीथिंग आई वाज डूइंग वीकली स्टेज और डेली स्टेज, बट डेली स्टेजेस में डेली के लिए मेरा कुछ चीज़ फिक्स होने लगा दैट आई वाज वेरी श्योर आई वुड डू. या वीक में देयर वर प्लेसेस एंड थिंग्स दैट आई काइंड ऑफ फिक्स्ड एंड आई सेड आई वुड डू दिस फॉर श्योर, एंड आई वुड मेक इट अ पॉइंट टू डू लिमिटेड थिंग्स सो दैट एटलीस्ट आई एम श्योर आई एम पुटिंग इन दैट एफिशिएंसी इनटू दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेज दैट, और इसमें एफिशिएंसी से मुझे कैसे एहसास हुआ कि yes, because I was doing something consistently over a period of time, there was growth, and mostly it was about personal growth. At the same time, I was becoming a little social because I wanted to meet more people, understand how things work, what are the circles I did not want to be part of in future, what are the circles I wanted to be a part of in future, and what are the things I don't want to be in life, being an influential leader or whatever other people were calling themselves, and that I was going to. So I was trying to know what I didn't want to be more than what I wanted to be, and therefore I was cutting off lists of things I didn't want to do. That is the time when I realized कि एक साइड तो मैं चेकलिस्ट बना रही थी मुझे क्या क्या करना है वीक में, but at the same time I was actively filtering what I didn't want to do, and therefore the effectiveness increased because I was getting more and more sure of what I didn't want to do and how I didn't want to become. So thought, और फिर भी गलतियाँ होती है, but the point is you keep aware and making yourself realize this is not what I want, this is not how I want to be, I need to stop this, I need to avoid this. So ऐसे कर करके वो realization बढ़ता गया. Now when I move to the next stage towards what I am trying to be today and working on today, I realized my efficiency has gone to a higher level because everything that I'm doing, I'm trying to derive patterns from it. I'm trying to put it down on paper on how I'm processing it, why I'm processing it, and what are the things that I would be kind of looking at, and you know, how are the things that I would be functioning, what are the things I need to do with what kind of people, customize it furthermore, and creating pathways for more people, at the same time having some common resources so that I become efficient, productive, all of that. और खुद use करके I'm able to apply it for more people. In some way at least I'm trying to apply it in my context of people near me, and then going for applying to more people who trust me, who respect me. And then came, so efficiency का stage अब ऐसा आया है जब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि yes, I am more or less efficient. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि नींद पूरी नहीं होती और ये सब होते हैं challenges, but at this end of the day if I feel that yes, I have to cover up that sleep eventually in a week's time, तो आगे पीछे करके कुछ कर लेंगे और हो जाएगा नींद पूरा. So now this was entirely for the people who wanted to be leaders. I hope it benefits you. Now I will go slightly into the part of, if you are somebody who watches a lot of talks, watches a lot of YouTube, watches a lot of, you know, content which is available online, how do you filter out? So I will again go from exposure, experience, exposure, example, empathy, effectiveness and efficiency. ठीक है, तो अब अगर आप अब मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस पे अगर वापस आऊंगी कि जब एक्सपीरियंस की बात होती है, अक्सर हम उन लोग को फॉलो करते हैं जो हमसे थोड़े ऊपर होते हैं. रिमेंबर दैट ऑलवेज. And very few people, I will tell you, in the world who are leaders, who can cater to all age groups, all kinds of stratas and all kinds of backgrounds and professional experiences and domains. So try not to be that in the beginning. If someday you end up becoming, that's a great thing, but that shouldn't be your starting goal. Let your experience create that for you, so that when you are getting the experience, the exposure, the example, the empathy, the effectiveness, efficiency, तब automatically you will carry more tags and you'll be able to do much more. But शुरू में इतना सब करना is a bad idea. So because you will not be able to do justice to anybody. So that is my advice to you. Don't jump into everything together. Do it slow, steadily. ठीक है? Now when I'm talking of somebody who's watching the YouTube है या ये फेसबुक पे इतना सारा लोग वीडियोस अपलोड करते हैं, जैसे आई ऑल्सो अपलोड, सो जो भी है, जो जितने लोग करते हैं और जितने लोग का योर लाइक, शेयर, व्यू, वट एवर, माई एडवाइस टू यू इज ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस, दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर यू स्टैंड समवॉट. एक हल्का सा अंदाजा इतना लगा के रखिए एक्सपीरियंस के मामले में. जैसे आप सवाल अपने आप को पूछ सकते हैं कि चलो अभी तक मैंने लाइफ में क्या किया है, मुझे और क्या चैलेंजेस फेस हो रहे हैं. फिर चैलेंजेस जो आपको फेस हो रहे हैं, सपोजिंग यू डोंट हैव सेल्फ मोटिवेशन या यू आर वेरी लेजी, यू हैव ऑल दैट, तो यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग अप फॉर वीडियोज ऑन दैट स्पीकर और टाइप दोज कीवर्ड्स ऑन यूट्यूब या गूगल, और फिर आप बैठ के एक एक को थोड़ा थोड़ा सुनो और देखो कि किसका लैंग्वेज आपको ज़्यादा समझ आता है, कौन ज़्यादा आपसे एसोसिएट और रिलेट कर पाता है या आप उससे रिलेट कर पाते हो. फिर आप बैठ के उसके 2, 3, 4 से 5, 6 सुनो, 10 सुनो, और फिर एक आइडिया आप निकालो कि आप जो सुन रहे हो क्या उसका आपको क्या आइडिया कनेक्ट हो पा रहा है, आपको उससे क्या फ़ायदा हो रहा है. आई यू एबल टू टेक बैक सम टेक अवेज जो आपको लगे कि हाँ इसके ये चीज़ मुझे वीक में एक बार तो याद आई थी ये बात सुन के. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग दैट स्लोली यू विल रियलाइज कि हाँ ठीक है, दिस इज द पर्सन आई नीड टू स्टार्ट हियरिंग. दिस इज फॉर समवन एट द बेसिक लेवल ऑफ मोटिवेशन, जो आपको पहली बार आपको पता नहीं है कि आपको क्या सुनना है. फिर उसमें भी मैं आपको थॉट लॉजिक इसलिए दे रही हूँ क्योंकि ये दिमाग ऐसे काम नहीं कर पाएगा, मुझे नहीं आता कि हाउ एल्स टू लुक अप. दैट इज हाउ आई वुड डू इट इफ आई वाज यू नो सजेस्टिंग समवन टू लुक एट. दिस इज माई एडवाइस टू यू एज वेल कि लॉजिकल होता ही है ब्रेन, सो यू हैव टू मेक इट प्रोसेस दैट वे. सो ऐसे करके आप सर्च करो, फिर 8-10 देख के आपको आइडिया आएगा ये अच्छा है नहीं है, दूसरे वाले पे जाओ, दूसरे वाले को आप उस तरह देखो, समझो. लैंग्वेज नहीं समझ आता है, गो फॉर स्पीकर्स हु स्पीक इन द लैंग्वेज दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड. देयर आर मेनी रीजनल स्पीकर्स नाउ डेज जो एक लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं जो सबको समझ पाता है. सो गो फॉर दोज टाइप ऑफ स्पीकर्स. अगेन यू नो आप और ज़्यादा जैसे आप बेसिक से आस्ते आस्ते इंटरमीडिएट स्टेज ऑफ मोटिवेशन पे आओगे, तब आपको लगेगा अच्छा ठीक है मुझे इस टॉपिक पे ज़्यादा सुनना है या मुझे इस टॉपिक से ज़्यादा चैलेंजेस हो रहे हैं. हर चीज़ आपको वेरी इंस्पायरिंग नहीं लगने लगेगा, फिर आपको अल्टीमेटली ऐसा लगेगा अरे हाँ इसमें ये थोड़ा है लेकिन ये वाला चलो ये तो समझ लिया. देन यू विल योर माइंड, आपको कैसे पता चलेगा क्या बेसिक से इंटरमीडिएट मोटिवेशन पे आए हैं, जब आपको लगेगा अच्छा ठीक है इसमें इतना मुझे समझ आया, इतना तो मुझे आता है, बट क्या बड़ा बात है, या मे बी आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन इट. एंड नॉट जजमेंटल क्रिटिकल वे बाय द वे, इट इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रियली प्रोसेसिंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड रिफ्लेक्टिंग. और फिर ये सोच आएगा कि हाँ अब मुझे लगता है कि ये वाला चीज़ ना, ये भी आइडिया होता तो कितना अच्छा, ये सवाल सोचने का मन करता है. तो जैसे 1-2 सवाल आने लगते हैं, यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड गोइंग इन दैट इंटरमीडिएट मोटिवेशन स्टेज. फिर आता है उसके बाद वाला जो कि एडवांस मोटिवेशन स्टेज होता है, जहाँ पे अब आपको टॉपिक्स पता लगने लगे हैं. अब उस टॉपिक में आप और फिल्टर करते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल कि आप जब बेसिक लेवल पे है या उससे भी अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, you have to understand you are looking at something like maybe overcoming laziness या फिर purpose of life. Mostly these are the type of things that people hear about. और जैसे more of fun things people look for. ठीक है, so that is basic motivation, because deeper things and serious things will kind of bore you most of the time. या फिर higher level पे अक्सर people या तो sarcasm या तो humor या deep intellect या extreme seriousness prefer करते हैं with a very very intelligent way of smart humor लाके, not very basic but yeah, I mean that involves a lot of content and a lot of research. So that is, I'm talking fun is what gets everybody started. Everybody likes to hear the deeper stuff in a fun way. So when you start looking at that, you have moved from basic to intermediate. Ab intermediate se when I gave example leadership mein, when you are going further, so you start realizing. So I would say intermediate motivation mein kaun aayega, I would tell you somebody like Simon Sinek, who I really hold high, because Simon Sinek ka kya hai ki he goes into the why, how, what of leadership, and the way he talks a lot about it. So somebody like that. I would put Jay Shetty in the form. I really respect him a lot. Because of him I started on that basic motivation level, because that is when I started feeling, he had a lot of content for people. A lot of people criticize him, but I don't, because I feel that people like him are needed, who have a way of talking about very basic simple stuff in a very different way, and he is able to connect very well. So I feel that he's doing the good stuff with a majority of the people in the world. And then comes the Simon Sinek stage, which I feel is the intermediate motivation stage, where he goes into some slight structures and makes you think further, makes you question further, makes you kind of go into your own life, and he does it pretty well if you hear his talks and all. Then came the Mind Valley kind of stuff, where not all speakers, but there were selected speakers that I started following, and Mind Valley is a little interesting platform for me. So also yes, I would put Robin Sharma's content in my life between the basic and the intermediate part. So that's the way to look at it. And so when I moved from the intermediate stage to advanced stage, I started hearing and listening to more people like, which were talking. So my mentors introduced me to a few speakers that I need to listen to. They were very, very complicated at times. Trust me, I found those things very boring at times, but I used to watch simply because I realized I wanted to cultivate my leadership, to be able to serve better. And serving better is so important today, because at the end of the day, you can fool the people, you can fool the world, you can pull off anything, but at the end of the day, if there is no sincerity inside, you will do more damage than anyone, and people will not know, but you will. So you will have to die with a heavy heart, thinking that you did damage to the world without, letting the world know about it. So that is something I could not tolerate. So I said, never mind, I'm going to sit through all of that, read all of that, learn all of that, read all those heavy books that sometimes used to give me a headache. But trust me, I loved that journey. Eventually I started loving it. First 2 months were a little difficult, because I was not used to that type of study patterns, जहाँ मैं बैठ के पढ़ती थी और समझती थी और सोचती थी. So तब जब उस टाइप के स्पीकर्स, उस टाइप के बुक्स आने लगे, तब मुझे ऐसा लगा कि हाँ, बहुत डेप्थ है. And then I had to kind of filter again. इतना सारा बुक्स में इतना सब थोड़ी ना पढ़ना है. जो मुझे चाहिए उसमें से, that is what I need to take. So I started finding out ways of research and development, and which I will share through my company's research papers and all that I would be publishing. So then you can watch out for all that if you are interested. So that is one of the things. Now has come a stage where I feel that I do not even like to listen to a lot of things between basic motivation to intermediate motivation. I do listen to intermediate motivation of Simon Sinek a lot, even now, but now it has reduced in the last 1 to 2 months. And then when I speak of advanced motivation, I listen to speakers which give me different perspectives on different domains that I do not feel normally comfortable with, or I do not normally hear, and that's not the normal motivation that you would call it. तो मुझे वो चीज़ें बहुत चैलेंज करती हैं, क्योंकि मुझे सोचना पड़ता है, समझना पड़ता है, उसको ऑब्जॉर्व करना पड़ता है, and at times even watch stuff from different religions and faiths. So for example, one of my favorites is Pastor Stephen Furtick, who I kind of love listening to, Michael Todd, then some speakers from South India who are spiritual gurus, and they share philosophies of Vedas and Gita and Hinduism. So I mean, these are people who I kind of follow, and the more I read about them, the way they think and how they think and all of that helps me push beyond more limitations of my mind, and to explore and be more open-minded to how the reality of the world functions. And it's not just linear, it is lateral, it is at times parallel. So you have to know how things work, and that cannot happen when you just confine yourself to limited things and limited people. And you have to challenge your brain to explore further, to kind of look at everything, and then process and package and program again all over again, so every time. So that is what I kind of started अंडरस्टैंडिंग. एंड देन केम, अभी कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि जब मैं बैठ के पढ़ती हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे बस अपने आप को क्रिटिक करना है, अपने आप को एनालाइज करना है. तो कई बार मैं अपनी वीडियोस को देखती हूँ, फिर मैं सोचती हूँ मैंने ऐसा क्यों बोला, ऐसा कब बोला, तो ऐसे क्यों बोल सकती हूँ मैं ऐसा, अगर नेक्स्ट टाइम ऐसे भी बोलूँगी तो अच्छा होगा, मोर पीपल विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस टॉपिक बेटर. और जब मैं अपने आप को दूसरी तीसरी बार सुनती हूँ तब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आई कैन इम्प्रूव माई सेल्फ मच मोर. एंड देन आई ऑल्सो हियर अदर मोर लिमिटेड स्पीकर्स now, and I find it like more and more difficult to stay engaged with a video, but I find conversations more interesting than just listening to talks. But there are limited people who I do listen to, but they are one or two from India and one or two from abroad, so that's like 3 to 4 people that I listen to in the whole world right now. And then yes, I do read a lot of books, but then that is also very selectively. I understand what I'm looking at for research. I know how to research now. I have started putting more focus into it, and therefore the work should get affected and show the impact. So these are a few things that I wanted to share, and it's been a long video, but I hope you've benefited. It's covered a lot of things that I have learned over a period of time from my own life, from the lives of others, and trust me, it's easy to stay. बहुत धमाकेदार talk था. Oh my God, you were so awesome on stage. But you know what? I still feel at the end of the day, I love the journey that I take on the soil. I love the hard work I have to put, the grind, the preparation of the soil that is there, the preparation into identifying and understanding the environmental conditions to kind of know how to sow the crops and what is the right time for it and all of that. The reason I give the example of a crop and myself as somebody who has to kind of do the work of a farmer is because it's a lot of responsibility, and this country really needs us to do it right, to focus on ourselves, to be authentic, to be ethical, to be responsible, to be accountable, and not to be fake, not to be showing off all things which you are not and what you are not capable of. So trust me, country, our India needs authentic leadership, and each of us needs to be authentic leaders. मैं हूँ इंडिया, ये बिलीफ मुझे तब आने लगा जब मुझे एहसास हुआ बिटवीन द थॉट लीडर एंड थॉट little bit also from thought programming to social development stage कि India is made up of people. And as I said, in May India ke kitne talks you can check out on the Shriji TV channel which is there, where I spoke in Sri Jagannath temple, और मैंने how to not be average पे जब youth को motivation talk दिया था, और फिर उसके बाद भी मैंने recently इस साल में जो talks दिए थे मैं इंडिया के, आप देखेंगे कि मैं ये बार बार बोलती हूँ कि इंडिया को blame करना बंद करिए, मोदी जी को blame करना बंद करिए, गवर्नमेंट को blame करना बंद करिए. Be authentic yourself first. If you fix yourself, if you fix the way you function, the way you think, the way you operate, the vibes you give out, automatically you'll see change around you in your circles. And when that circle will go to more circles, वो radiate करेगा वो confidence उन लोगों का उसमें, और फिर ऐसे ही वो ripple effect से ये देश बदलेगा. Because when we are working with sincerity, when we are working with hard work and good intentions, God is there, and God has always been there for all the freedom fighters. God has helped people. आज जो लीडर्स भी काम कर रहे हैं, मेहनत कर रहे हैं, इट्स नॉट ईजी. लॉकडाउन में इट्स ईजी टू ब्लेम पीपल, इट्स ईजी टू ब्लेम सिस्टम्स, बट ट्रस्ट मी, इतना हम जब घर की ही बात करते हैं, घर ही संभालना कितने लोग के लिए मुश्किल हो जाता है, रिलेशनशिप संभालना लोगों के लिए मुश्किल हो जाता है, तो एक देश संभालना क्या ईजी बात है. देयर आर सो मेनी चैलेंजेस, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई थिंक एवरीबडी इज ट्राइंग टू डील विद एवरीथिंग दैट दे आर डीलिंग विद. लेट्स नॉट, एंड मे बी पीपल आर डूइंग इट राइट, मे बी पीपल आर डूइंग इट रॉन्ग. लेट्स स्टॉप थिंकिंग अबाउट देम, लेट्स स्टार्ट फोकसिंग ऑन ourselves. And the moment you fix yourself, once you start motivating yourself, once you start realizing that leadership lies with you and it's at the soil and not the stage, trust me, you will get the right impact at the soil level and at the stage level. Thank you so much.